Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get monthly deals on Audible. And if this video has been helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So, I'm on Audible's website on Google Chrome. I've logged into my account. And from there, you've got a couple of different options. You can either access the monthly deals by pressing this button right here, and it's going to bring you to the monthly deals section. That was on the home page and it might move in the future. So what else you can do is come over here to this browse section. And on the right-hand side, the same monthly deals button is right there. And then from there, you get to access all of the monthly deals on Audible at that moment in time. And you can see right here, browse our monthly deals. I've been told that it will actually show you the most relevant monthly deals to your purchase history. So that's why a lot of these are business and motivation and things like that. But I'm going to scroll back up to the top and you can see different monthly deals, $2.99 deals. I'm going to click in there, just like this audiobook, Eckhart Tolle as well. And you can also go over to different categories like fiction and see some different deals in here as well. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.